Hello everyone, Himanshu here from optimizesmart.com. In today's video, I want to talk about how to analyze and report above average in Google Analytics. Let's be honest here. Nobody wants to be an average, and yet we all love averages. That is why our Google Analytics reports are all jam-packed with averages. We have got average session duration, average time on page, average price, average quantity, average order value, etc. Google Analytics report average of almost all metrics in its reports. In order to analyze and report above average, we would first need to stop being obsessed about all the metrics which are average and take the insight they provide with a huge grain of salt. Let us suppose our website has got 5 web pages with following bounce rate. Page 1 bounce rate 35%, page 2 bounce rate 40%, page 3 bounce rate 0%, page 4 bounce rate 48%, page 5 bounce rate 100%. Now in order to calculate the bounce rate of the website, we would need to find the average of the bounce rate of the 5 pages. So bounce rate of the website equals to 35 plus 40 plus 0 plus 48 plus 100 divided by 5 equals 44.6%. But is 44.6% a true bounce rate? No. Look at the distribution of bounce rate across all the web pages one more time. Do you spot anything out of ordinary? Here two web pages, page 3 and page 5, have extreme values of 0% and 100%. We call such values as outliers in statistics. Outliers have the statistic ability to skew averages, and when the average matrix is skewed, it no longer represents a typical value in a data set. In order to calculate the correct bounce rate of the website, we would need to find and remove the outliers from our bounce rate calculations. Our outliers are 0% and 100% bounce rates. So now bounce rate of the website equals to 35 plus 40 plus 48 divided by 3 equals 41%. Earlier bounce rate of the website was 44.6%. Now after removing the outliers, the bounce rate of the website is 41%. Another example. Let us suppose our website has got 5 web pages with following average time on page. Page 1 350 seconds, page 2 400 seconds, page 3 500 seconds, page 4 480 seconds, page 5 36,000 seconds. Now in order to calculate the average time spent on the website, we would need to find the average of the average time spent on the 5 pages. So average time spent on the website equals 350 plus 400 plus 500 plus 480 plus 36,000 divided by 5 equals 2 hours 6 minutes. But is 2 hours 6 minutes a true average time spent on the website? No. Look at the distribution of average time across all the web pages. The web page 5 has got extreme value of 36,000 seconds. Again, the outlier 36,000 is skewing our average metric. This is the fundamental problem with averages, and the tragedy is that Google Analytics uses this metric throughout its reports. In order to calculate the correct average time spent on the website, we would need to find and remove the outliers from our average time spent calculations. Our outlier is 36,000 seconds. After removing this outlier, the average time spent on the website is 7 minutes 13 seconds. Earlier the average time spent on the website was 2 hours 6 minutes. Now after removing the outlier, the average time spent on the website is just 7 minutes 13 seconds. That's why it is important that before you trust an average metric, you look at the distribution of values in the dataset and look for outliers. If there are outliers in your dataset, then you cannot trust the average metric reported by GA or in fact any other analytics tool. If you want to learn more web analytics, then check out a training program on web analytics at optimizesmart.com/training. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you soon.